My name's Lisa, and back in May, I had a severe toothache that went into my lower jaw. The last 10 years has been a real crappy time of my life. I lost my mom, my dad, my brother was killed. I lost myself. I didn't really look into mirrors. I wouldn't take family pictures, or I avoided the cameras, and I haven't seen a dentist for about 8 years. I had a lot of dental work done back early 2000, and then I had a workplace injury which caused me to have permanent disability and no more dental coverage. So that's kind of how my teeth declined. I was really excited about that gun because I was afraid of getting the mold put in my mouth because I have a loose crown. So I didn't want it to fall out with the traditional way that they do it. So I was happy about that. The new technology is really cool. Like, I saw my mouth on that 3D, on that monitor computer screen, and then the before and after, what it's gonna look like. So I'm excited and scared. You have to go for it because I haven't been living for the last 8 years. I've been hiding, secluded myself. Just do it. It's not as bad as it's hyped up to be. I was so scared. For 3 or 6 months, I can't remember, but it took me a lot of guts to come in, and then you guys made it comfortable, and doctor's story, and I had no pain, no swelling, no bruising. It was fabulous, and everything fit perfectly right from the start. At first, I was terrified because I wasn't to a dentist for like 7 years. I didn't know what kind of technology and all that kind of stuff. So I was impressed and being able to see your smile before it was even done, that was cool. The mold, I've had that done years ago, and it makes you gag and all that. But then the machine that you used, there was no gag, nothing. Very comfortable. I was expecting excruciating pain because I was hearing horror stories, and I didn't experience anything like that. Nothing. I had no issues whatsoever. The confidence I have now, and I'm not afraid to talk, and just got a boyfriend again. I'm on my way up, and I ain't going back down. I want to thank 3Shape so much because they really did change my life. I'm very grateful for you guys, for everybody, the whole team. Changed my life.